This is Dave, and I'm going to show you how to get a cash offer for your house within hours and avoid huge fees and other costs associated with selling your house that usually take a whole chunk out of it. It could be up to 90 grand or even more. Okay, if you do not want or need to sell your home for cash, regardless of the condition, fast, without showings, without huge agent fees, without crazy contingencies, without doing repairs and upgrades to the house, hit the skip button. Just hit the skip button right now. You don't need to watch this. But if you do want or need to sell your home fast for cash, regardless of the condition, at a fast time of your choosing, without agent fees, without doing repairs and upgrades to your house, look at this. This house had sold for a over 1.2 million. They saved about probably $73,800 just in realtor fees, okay? Not to mention if they had to go paint the place and do all that kind of stuff. So click the link right now and you can view a proposal for your home and then you can decide. There's a link that you can click right now on the ad and it'll take like 20 seconds and you can go ahead and get an estimate for the proposals and get proposals for your place. I'm going to show you how to get a cash offer 24/7 and sell your place, how to avoid realtor fees. That can be up to 6% depending on who your realtor charges, but that's a lot of money if you're selling your house. You get to pick your move out date. A lot of people, they don't want to have to do a rent back and then end up paying thousands and thousands of dollars just to live in a house until they find a new place. Okay, maybe you want 90 days to figure things out, but you need to sell your house now. You need cash. There's a whole lot of reasons people need to get cash, and a lot of people have homes that are worth some money. Okay, you can also avoid all the home prep, the staging, and the open houses. I'm going to explain all this too, because painting your place, putting in new carpets, or redoing a kitchen and a bathroom, that can be very expensive and take months, if not a year or two, to get done. And maybe you don't even have the cash to do it. This avoids all that because you get a cash offer for your house. This is nationwide in the United States, by the way. So why sell your house right now? Okay. House prices have been continuing to rise right now. This is a crazy time in history, okay? People are trying to buy houses. There's not enough of them out there, and they want to buy them, so the prices have been skyrocketing. But they might be dropping soon, and I think we all kind of know why, what might be heading in our future. Economically, we don't know. It's a mystery, but signs aren't looking good. And here's what's been going on lately over the last 8 or so years with housing prices. So your house, if you own it for 8 years, you might have gained all this kind of equity in it. Now is the time to sell because it's kind of been starting to level off. And the last month or two have been crazy for prices, high, but they're predicted to go down possibly very shortly, and it could drop dramatically. So this is the time to sell because prices have been sky high. It's a seller's market. You have an emergency that you need to sell the house. Maybe you need fast cash. Maybe there's health problems or medical bills, things like that. Maybe there's repairs. Maybe you don't like your neighbors. I don't know, but you don't really have to have a reason. You just have to ask for a quote to see if somebody in your area is going to buy your house. And you can do that by clicking the link that's below or on the side, depending if you're on desktop or mobile. You click the link, it takes about 20 seconds, and you can get started on getting these offers to your house. There's no obligation, by the way. You just can see what you can get on the market. Okay. Also, by clicking that link, if you're not happy with the prices that you get, you can even find a realtor that you can cut higher. If you want to pay that 6% and you think you're going to sell it for way more than the extra 6% or whatever, then you go ahead and do that and take the old-fashioned realtor route. But you can get your quote right now. It looks just like this. You just go ahead and fill in your location, a couple other forms. It takes about 20 seconds to do it. Like I said, there's no obligation. So how's this going to work if you go ahead and do it? So you're going to tell these folks about your home, how soon you want to do it. You don't need to prep or stage or do the showing. Yeah, staging can cost like $5-10 grand. It can cost a lot more than that if you've got an expensive home. If you've got a 5,000 square foot home, it costs a lot to stage that bad boy. Okay, you can receive a full cash offer. You can decide when you want to close. Maybe you want to wait a couple months. Maybe you want to do it like 4 days from now. Okay, that is up to you, and you won't pay agent fees. Okay, and then after you submit your information, what happens is your address, all this information goes out to folks who are looking to buy real estate right now. These guys want to buy places. And even if it needs fixing up, that might be even better for them. They might like that more. Okay, you might even sell your house faster that way. Or maybe your house is in great condition and these folks just want to kind of get in and do their investment right now because they want to get a hold of these places. So, this company will handle all buyer side costs and paperwork. You get all cash offers, so you don't have to. They handle the paperwork. You can hire a realtor if you want. It's up to you. But that's how easy it is to do this. And these homes are bought as is in any condition, which is the crazy part about it. Like maybe your house has a bunch of doorways and there's nicks and crannies and there's a hole in a bunch of walls. You don't have to fix it. Maybe there's like appliances that are broken. It's as is. Okay, then you get it sold. There's transparent pricing. You can sell your home in a matter of days and not months. They're all cash offers. There's no financing contingencies. You don't have to hope that the bank gives the people that are buying your house a loan and they have to sell their house and wait. There's none of that's going on. You can get money in your bank account within 7 days and all the paperwork's going to be handled, okay? So go ahead and click the link right now. There is zero obligation. Heck, you just want to be like, hey, I just want to see what my home I can get for my house right now. If the number's right, I'm selling. Otherwise, I'm staying put. That's up to you. It doesn't cost anything to fill this out. These guys have a bunch of people that want to buy your home, and it's the largest, I think, nationwide network. So go ahead, click the link, and get it done, and let me know how it goes. All right, take care. Bye-bye.